Ford Focus, four-door sedan, SE model, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle, very well maintained, a super clean car. Rear spoiler, automatic transmission. This one has 49,000 miles. This factory powertrain warranty until next July or 60,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, nice clean cloth interior, 6-way manual adjusting seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel with cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls, sync hands-free Bluetooth, automatic headlights, CD player, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, side impact airbags. Nice big trunk. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.